everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Simran. Today we are diving into one of the core topics in data science, different types of data, specifically structured data, unstructured data, and semi structured data. Let's learn what they are, how they differ, and their key features. Before diving into different types of data, let's discuss what is data. In data science, data is simply a collection of raw facts, figures, or information that we can use to draw conclusions or make decisions. This data can come from a variety of sources, like social media, websites, or databases. But not all data are created equal. Some are structured, unstructured, or some in between. Let's start with the structured data. Let's start with structured data. Structured data is highly organized and formatted in a way that makes it easy to search, process, and analyze. Typically, this kind of data is stored in tables. Think of rows and columns like an Excel spreadsheet or a relational database. Let us talk about key features of structured data. They have well-defined format. Data is arranged in rows and columns, making it easy to store and retrieve. They are easily searchable. You can run queries using tools like SQL to retrieve specific information. Structured data typically contains numbers or categories, such as product IDs or transaction amounts. Each row follows the same format, and the structure remains consistent across the entire dataset. Let us see some examples for structured data. Imagine you have a database of customers. Each customer has an ID, a name, an age, and a purchase amount. This data fits neatly into rows and columns. ID is one column, name is the next, then age, and finally the purchase amount. It is easy to filter, sort, and analyze this kind of data using tools like SQL or Excel, or even Python libraries like Pandas to analyze it. Let's talk about a use case for the structured data. Structured data is used in data analysis and machine learning, where data can be easily queried, filtered, and aggregated using SQL or other analytical tools. For example, analyzing sales performance, customer segmentation, or predicting future trends based on historical data. Most business data is structured data because it needs to be easy to analyze and report on. Think about sales reports, employee records, or transaction logs. All of these are structured. Now, let's talk about unstructured data. Unstructured data, as the name suggests, has no predefined format. It does not fit neatly into rows and columns. This is the type of data you would find in social media posts, emails, photos, videos, or even sensor data from IoT devices. Let's talk about key features of unstructured data. They have no predefined structure. There's no clear format or organization, making it hard to fit into tables. They have a variety of formats. It can be text, audio, video, or even log files. They require advanced techniques. Tools like natural language processing, machine learning are needed to extract insights from unstructured data. They're large in volume. Unstructured data makes up the majority of data available today, such as social media content, emails, or multimedia files. A great example of unstructured data is a tweet. It has text, sometimes images or videos, and even hashtags. Another example may be emails. Emails are unstructured because the body of the message is free form and there is no specific format that applies to all emails. Let's talk about a use case for the unstructured data. Unstructured data is used in sentiment analysis, for example, analyzing customer reviews, or image recognition, example, detecting objects in photos, and speech to text conversion, for example, converting phone conversations into text for analysis. Unstructured data is massive and continues to grow. It is estimated that over 80% of data in the world is unstructured. Companies use advanced AI and machine learning techniques to extract useful information from this type of data, like understanding customer sentiment from social media posts or analyzing customer service emails. There is also a middle ground between structured and unstructured data called semi-structured data. Semi-structured data does not fit perfectly into rows and columns, but has some organizational elements that make it easier to manage. For instance, it might have tags, markers, or hierarchies that provide some structure. A great example of semi-structured data is JSON or XML file. JSON files are often used in APIs where data is represented in a tree-like structure with key value pairs, but it is not strictly organized into rows and columns. Emails are another good example. The subject, line, the sender, and timestamp are structured, but the body of the email is unstructured text, making it a blend of both. To summarize, let us quickly go over the key differences. Structured data is organized in rows and columns, making it easy to analyze using traditional methods like SQL and Excel. Unstructured data does not follow a set format and requires more advanced tools like AI or machine learning to process, whereas semi-structured data sits in the middle with some structure but still requiring specialized tools for full analysis. Now let us take a look at some examples of each type of data. Structured data examples may include customer records in a relational database, or sales data in a spreadsheet, or financial transaction. Unstructured data examples may include social media posts, videos and images, or text from emails or customer reviews. Semi-structured data examples may include JSON files used in APIs or XML documents, or even emails where some elements are structured but others are not. To conclude, we can say structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data are the three main types of data in data science. Each has its own characteristics. And while structured data is the easiest to work with, unstructured and semi-structured data hold huge potential, especially when combined with power of AI and machine learning.
I hope this video helped you understand different types of data and why they're so important in data science. In case if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.